Hello and welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making everyone's favorite snack, Aloo Samosa, crispy on the outside, spicy and soft inside, perfect for tea time or any time. In a bowl, take 1 cup flour, add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Ajwain, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well until crumbly. Use Ajwain in the dough, it helps digestion and adds flavor. Add 1/3 cup water gradually and knead into a smooth dough. Samosas originated in the Middle East and traveled to South Asia through trade routes. Samosas are popular street food across India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. You can shape samosas differently based on your regional style. Cover and let it rest. Now for the filling. Take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Aloo means potato in Hindi, making this a classic veg favorite. Resting the dough helps make the crust soft yet crispy. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it out. Potatoes are high in fiber and give lasting energy. Ajwain helps with digestion and bloating. And cut into a round shape. Place the potato stuffing in the center. Apply water around the edges. Fold and seal the samosa as shown. Don't overstuff, it makes sealing difficult and can break during frying. Heat oil on medium flame. Fry the samosas for 7 to 8 minutes. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness and no bubbles. Onions and green chilies boost metabolism naturally. Homemade samosas are healthier than store-bought or frozen ones. Fry until they turn golden and crispy. Your crispy golden aloo samosa are ready. Serve them hot with chutney or ketchup. Perfect for anytime parties or weekend cravings. If you love this recipe, give it a like, drop your thought in the comments and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Stay tuned, more deliciousness is coming your way.